morning. First one of the day. This is a returning client with his S1000XR. He's just come back from a 2,500 mile trip to watch the MotoGP in Assen. Got caught in some torrential rains yesterday in France, so we're going to give this a mint up because he's going to put this away for a little while. So we've got our work cut out. We're going to get this trot full Monty valet done on this, which will include a bit of XCP corrosion protection. We will do a single stage machine polish on all the front to remove all these ingrained bugs. This has had this Ultimax ceramic on it previously, so we won't be putting any ceramic. I just noticed it's got a leaking fork seal, which I did inform him on. So enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get this thing all minted up, get some protection back on it, get it looking like it should. Give me a couple of hours. There you go, 2 hours, 15 minutes on the dot. This BMW has been trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my God, look at this, absolutely gleaming. Scrubbed up all that collector box, got all the burnt on tar off, all the chains been cleaned, everything's had a little XCP on it, all the engine has a XCP misted on it, all down the front. We just did a single stage machine polish on the front here just to remove any ingrained bugs. Windscreen's been removed, all polished, absolutely gleaming. This is the way to keep your bike looking nice. Get it trotted once every 3-6 months. Get yours booked in now, 07966 249 963.